Scotty.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Is it a good morning?
Well, it's a morning. It's not really good. It's a morning.
Damn, not enough twinks on the Scotty diet over the weekend?
No, I didn't sleep last night. That was Saturday. Saturday was a busy night.
Ooh. Xander, did you know he's also a adult film star?
There's only a couple that I've been in.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. The pay was actually really, really good. I didn't complain.
See, I'd have to pay to be in one. That's what's BS. But nobody wants to see 3 inches in 13 seconds, so...
You'd be...
That's the title, though.
3 inches in
3 inches in 13 seconds.
What a mess! You would be amazed at the people that would be interested in you.
Oh,
you really, truly would.
I'm sure.
People as young as Xander's age.
That's weird.
Going all the way up.
Yeah, I know. I was told if I wore a jock to the barracks, I'd make a lot of money.
You would.
I pass, thank you.
Yeah. They're closing and moving to Arizona.
Well, you know, damn California taxes.
Ooh, more than that. I found out more of the truth. I was like, nope.
I know what has went on there because I know a lot of people that go there.
Yeah, it's like,
nope. Xander, if we talk about this, you got to cover your ears. This is bad. Anyway.
Yeah, wait, I'm covering yours.
Do it again. That was funny.
I'll cover your ears.
It looks like you smushed his head. He's like, die! Anyway, minute and a half. We haven't covered a damn thing yet. It's Monday morning. I got Xander pulled the rest of the exhaust off and out of the way. Hooray. Because we are putting headers on this car. Mm-hmm. So it's not a big deal. Just had to get it up and out. Next thing Xander's going to do is he's going to take the inspection plate off so he can access the nuts for the torque converter. It's going to undo all the torque converter nuts. And then we're going to separate the transmission from the engine. Because tomorrow, by tomorrow I mean tonight, we're loading this trans up in my truck. And tomorrow, I'm dropping it off. And I'm picking up the 66 Bird trans and the 54 Chevy trans, because the 54 is going on the lift next. That's going outside today because of reasons we don't discuss on film.
Correct.
But basically, anywho, all right. So Xander, carry on. You're gonna take those bolts out down there. There's 4.
Yeah.
And get that plate out of the way, that nasty, crusty plate. And then you'll get to the torque converter nuts. I'll help you with that because we got to turn the motor over to do it.
And I'm going to add just a little bit to your to-do list, nothing major.
2 dizzle fo shizzle, my nizzle, era, remix.
It's okay, I speak jive. If you can disconnect
Stay cool,
the lines,
blood.
so you don't have to worry about once the transmission's off, so we've got lines smacking into everything. And pull all your hoses and stuff off around the engine. Right. So that when we start getting ready to work on it, it's already done. You're here, and it needs to be done anyway, so it's not like I'm going to have you do anything that's out of ordinary.
Yeah.
But yeah, pull everything off that you can, and also what Bobby said.
What did I say?
The inspection plate.
Yeah. Oh, that. I thought it was other life skills I tried.
And I'm the old guy.
Well, you know, I usually try to teach life skills, but usually it's inappropriate.
I don't think you've taught me a life skill that wasn't inappropriate.
That was good. I like that.
That's
nice.
true.
Nice.
That's true. I told him something at the racetrack about the zip ties.
Oh, the zip ties? The
yeah.
flat side and the...
What'd I tell you about the zip ties?
I don't remember it.
You always put it in the flat side. You don't put it in the bumped out side. And then he's like, what do you mean? I go, you know, it's like banging your girl. You go to the flat side first, then you go around the other side. I'm teaching. I was an educator.
Unless you're one of those that doesn't want to give this up yet until they're married, so they give this up instead.
That's what Scotty did.
I didn't.
Anyway, we got way out of line here. So, yeah, Xander knows what to do, and we'll check back in with him in a bit. Now the engine is out, though.
Yeah.
You can see, we already discussed the silicone mess, but you can see it even
more
now.
It's there's absolutely no...
Yeah, there's no sense in any of that. Also, did you see the freeze plug on the passenger side? It's got like stalactites coming out of it. It's like a cave. Yeah, we showed that on video earlier.
Wow.
So I figured you'd laugh on that. So, all right, Xander knows what to do. So let's do it to it.